The Samsung A37 5G is a feature-packed smartphone that combines premium performance with cutting-edge hardware, making it an excellent choice for users who demand speed, endurance, and top-tier visuals. It boasts a vibrant 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display with an ultra-smooth 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring buttery-smooth scrolling, fluid animations, and an exceptional viewing experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or simply browsing. Powering the device is Samsung's own Exynos 1680 processor, a capable chipset designed to handle intensive tasks with ease. This is backed by a generous 12 GB of RAM, which allows for seamless multitasking and effortless switching between apps, and 256 GB of internal storage, giving users plenty of space for apps, videos, photos, and files. One of the most striking features of the Galaxy A37 5G is its powerful 200MP rear camera, which delivers incredibly detailed and sharp images, making it ideal for photography enthusiasts and content creators alike. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or low-light shots, the camera system is designed to bring out the best in every scene. On the battery front, the device is equipped with a massive 7,000 mAh battery, which can easily power the phone through 2 full days of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, the 66W fast charging support ensures you're back up and running in no time. Combining performance, display quality, camera technology, and battery life, the Samsung A37 5G offers a well-rounded package that stands out in the crowded smartphone market. It's a device built not just for everyday tasks, but for users who expect more from their phone, whether that's high-end gaming, professional-grade photography, or all-day endurance.